Samsung just launched the Galaxy S23 series devices. No doubt about that, how great these devices are, but when you look at the trade-in deals, you might get shocked. By the end of this video, you might find yourself staying on your older Samsung device instead of going for the S23 Ultra. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now when you look at the Samsung website for pre-ordering the Galaxy S23 Ultra, you end up seeing the trade-in deals. If you have a phone which is in good condition and have no issues, Samsung dropped the amount they are going to pay on those devices, in some cases almost 50%. When I looked at the price of the Z Fold 4, I was shocked. They're offering only $750 for the Z Fold 4. Kinda unbelievable. That phone costed around $2,000, and even Fold 4 is not a year-old device from Samsung. So Samsung is just letting down their customer base. Let me know in the comments, are you guys going to trade in your Fold 4 for the S23 Ultra? For me, absolutely not. And there are a couple of reasons behind it, and one among them, they are not offering the best trade-in deal. Now if you look at the price of S22 Ultra, they are offering only $500. Now this is not clear what Samsung is up for, but these trade-in deals are not that great. Last time when they were offering Fold 4, they gave you a deal of about $800, but still this is way less. And if you have much older device like Note 20 Ultra, they are offering you a couple of $100. Not so impressive at all. Now I'm talking about the carrier unlocked devices. Obviously they are better to have, but if you go for AT&T or T-Mobile device, you may end up getting better deals on your older devices, where they are offering $1,000 for all older Samsung devices. To be very honest, if you look at the price of the iPhone 14 Pro Max, they are offering $720 for it. Seriously? Fold 4 is way more expensive than the iPhone 14 Pro Max, only a $30 difference in the trade-in deal? Samsung is just letting down their customer base. It's better we shouldn't take these trade-in deals. If you pre-order Galaxy S23 Ultra, you guys were going to get $100 Samsung credit and in some good deals on the Watch 5 Pro and Buds Pro too. If you guys want to check the difference between the Galaxy S23 Ultra versus the Pixel 7 Pro, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.